Hey everyone, what is going on? Different kind of video today. I'm not in the garage. I'm going to be reshelling my Viper remote because as you can see there's tape, this little back door came apart. It's kind of a mess. Unfortunately I left the batteries out for a while, so I'm not sure if it came unsynced from the car. I might have to reprogram it, but this video I'm going to show you how to put it all into a new case if your case is broken at all. This will be for my specific model that I have. I'll leave the link below to the shell that I got. It was only like 17 bucks, and you can reshell just about all of them. I saw certain ones even have different colors. So let me set you up and get started. Basically, this is what comes in the kit. This and some instructions. And I picked up I got a flathead little eyeglass screwdriver. I got my old style remote here. So basically we just got to put the guts in here. And they did change it. Now there's no back on it. You have to pop it open to change the battery. But now the back won't break like mine did here. And I had to tape it for a little while. So let me set you guys up and we'll get started. Alright, so first I'm going to take the remote off of my key ring, make it easier. Now, I'm going to take my batteries out first. For some reason, like I said, now it's synced again. Yeah, I should have got extra batteries. I think my batteries might be a little low. But for the sake of the video, we're going to go ahead and swap it. So, don't need the taped up old door. Set the batteries off to the side. And we're going to have to pull this apart. So, as you can see, I'm pushing on it to separate the whole housing from the surround very carefully. Now mine is probably about 4 years old. Some of them may separate differently, but just follow your diagram. As you can see, once I get this apart, I should be able to separate out a little bit better. Okay. Now that's how mine came apart. Like I said, yours might be different. And there we have it. We have the circuit board there. Nice and secure, and the buttons. So this is the old stuff. So we will set, and this is the new one. And as you can see, they are exactly the same, just a little bit different style. Still have LEDs, so we will set all the old stuff off to the side. We will set our new buttons in. And then here is our actual control piece and the antenna. You can see there's a little divot here for the antenna to sit. And that sits in there nice and flush. And then we should just have to put the batteries in. See, it's trying to work the antenna, and then we should just have to sandwich this down on top carefully. And it's in. And it is now looking for my car and doing its little chime thing and all that, as it normally does. And that is the brand new remote. So yeah, like I said, it's been unplugged a little while. It's going to have to sync back up to the car. But now we don't have the busted remote anymore. And that is all nice and neat. So that is a pretty quick tip. The instructions that come with it are pretty nice. I might have to put new batteries in this. I think that's why it's beeping like that. I should have got batteries since I was doing it now. But as you can see, this improved on the old Viper design. Look, that antenna was starting to go. And now you don't got to worry about the back falling off, having the little piece down here chip, so that way the back, you know, doesn't lock in anymore. I've lost a couple of these backs before, so as you can see, it doesn't lock in anymore. It will just pop up. So that's gone. If yours doesn't come apart like this, it may just have a little notch you can grab to open it. Like I said, I got it when I installed it in the Caliber, so it's a little bit older. This was like 17 bucks shipped. I will leave a link below to where I got it. And that's basically it. Short video, really easy to do. Like I said, I'll leave the model of mine below. This kit did a couple different models. Like mine's separated by taking this ring off. Some of them, they pry open differently. You just got to take your time, make sure you don't damage the actual circuit board, and follow the instructions. It's real simple, real short. I will leave a link to the seller down below. And if you have a different model remote, I searched eBay. There was a bunch of different ones. If you have the newer ones, I saw you can get like orange, red, pink, like different colors too. So I hope you guys like this little update. Like and subscribe. Till next time.